Hello, Irina. So I have here everything that I will send to you. We have white spreads, 9 cones. Also this beautiful kit. In total, 1,500 grams. Journal with printed colored schemes. USB flash drive with full crochet cause, crochet hook also, and fabric pattern. Like you can see, original dress was in very dark colors, so I made here white fabric, and for you I created this black fabric because you have very light colors. It's better to work with such pattern because you will clearly see everything, and also it will be better to make joinings between individual motifs like this. So we have here a pattern, especially design it for you by using your individual measurements. And also now I will show you what samples we prepared for you. Just we made more elements for you, and I think they are very beautiful. So let's start. First of all, I will show you what we have in our lessons, and step by step I will place all elements. So we have motif Daphne. We made 3 different options. So the first one, just by using this light sky blue color, 3 threads in the same color, and I think I need to show you better everything like this. Next, we have also like we joined 2 threads in blue color and 1 ivory, so it's a little bit lighter, just a little bit. And also we try to use such 2 ivory threads and only 1 sky blue, and this element is more lighter. Like you remember in our design, we have here our main color, so this will be your main color, sky blue, and after we have like a row with square shaped motifs, more lighter. We will go to the ivory, so it can be, I think, better this one, because this one is almost the same. So 2 ivory threads and 1 sky blue. So for this row, you can use such lighter elements. And I think this will be nice transition to ivory color. And this all will be very tender. Also, here between this and this row, we will have fringe. We already made it for you, sky blue. So just imagine this sky blue will cover this lighter element, but it's not ivory, just ivory. It's mixed with sky blue. So this all will be just perfect. Very, very tender transition from upper part to the bottom part. Yes, I think this will be really nice. So my recommendation is to use 2 ivory threads, 1 sky blue for this part, and also we did like here we have a middle part of this element in our main color for the upper part, so here we used sky blue for the flower. For the flower is sky blue. After rest part it's lighter. So such 3 options we made for you. You will see this all and you will decide, do you like this idea, or maybe you want to create something else. Yes, just it will be your choice. Next, we have also half parts of motifs, Daphne, also with different colors mixed. So we have sky blue, 2 motifs. We have 2 blue threads, 1 ivory, and also 2 ivory, 1 blue. For example, when we are placing square shape elements, here we can see here in our composition half, and if you will use lighter elements in end, maybe in the end you will need such elements just to finish this composition. So you need to have some of them, and you will place, yes, you will create this composition harmoniously, because this should be in the same color. Yes, also maybe you will need we have here half of this square shape motif Daphne, so maybe you will need it also for upper part, so that's why you need to make them in our main color, this sky blue. So I made 2 already. You will have them for your composition. At the upper part I used, I don't know exactly, I see 3 elements like this, 1 2 3, yes, here on the skirt and here, so, and here a lot of them, because it's hard to close this whole area only by using square shape elements. We need to use also another elements like half of square, also such small leaves. So they are very useful, such elements, you will see. And we already made for you 5 elements like this. Okay, this part is ready. Next, we have in our lessons a small flowers talisman and also flowers 3 petals. We need them. They should be, we should make them in different colors because in our design we have like this. So let's look to the composition. Here we also can see these small flowers, 3 petals, but also we have them at the bottom of the skirt, such composition, somewhere at the back also here. And also you will create your own design here at the back. I think it's really nice to use long leaves also here. Just we will not have this hole, so you can place here some beautiful elements also. And now I will show you how many elements we have like this. So we have such small flowers talisman. Here I mix it this lilac and sky blue, and also I changed it placement, so I made also leaves from petals from lilac. After we have very beautiful, I really like this one with this new beige color and sky blue, really beautiful. Next, such options also we made for you. These elements, it's better to use at the skirt at the bottom, especially because there we will have the main color ivory. And also we have such option. Next, what we have? Flowers, 3 petals. So this combination is also gorgeous, beige and ivory, sky blue and ivory. This one is also perfect. So lilac with this new beige color, also perfect. So we have such elements, and also we should create only flowers without this leaf, and we made for you different. So sky blue, also such combination, beige and sky blue, ivory and lilac, beige and sky blue, just ivory, and like this. A lot of motifs, so this also you can use for your composition. Next, what we have after this? Let's look to these pictures. We have the fringe, yes. Our fringe with 1,200 chain loops in the beginning, 50 cells in total, a lot of work. So it's really very soft, beautiful. And this fringe, like I told you, you will place, so we will have like this square shape elements. Afterwards, you will make small folds here, and this will go to the bottom, and after below you will have a little bit lighter yes, square shape elements, Daphne, and next ivory, yes, skirt. So this fringe is so soft, really gorgeous, and it's ready for your beautiful dress. Around the skirt you will place it. Okay. Next we have also a flower talisman, 2 petals, 3 petals with different design. And the half of motif Daphne I already have here. I already placed these elements here. So now let's talk about these flowers. So we have like these flowers. You can see ivory and beige, lilac and ivory, like this. Mainly for the skirt, for the bottom part we are using them. And also a lot of motifs with 2 petals in sky blue for upper part. Also mix it 2 ivory and 1 sky blue. Next next we have also ivory, just they are just perfect for skirt, a lot of elements we need. And also I mix it a little bit colors just for beautiful composition. Next, what we have after? Long leaves, they are very nice, and I think you can use them to create composition at the back side. Yes, it will be perfect because we have the hole in our design, but we will not make it for your dress. So like these long leaves. They are very beautiful, tender, and this shape helps to create really the tender design. Just we can place them, yes, symmetrically, close to each other, and we have different color design here, like you can see, also with ivory and sky blue, perfect elements. So a lot of them we made for you. And next we have also small leaves and motif. This is Cassiopeia, and this here we have small leaves. They are really useful. We should prepare a lot of elements like this in our colors. So we have sky blue, beige, also mix it with ivory and lilac like this, just lilac color. Such elements we are placing between big elements in our composition. And after Cassiopeia, so we made for you not just a sample, we made one element just with 5 cells. It's very beautiful, this lace, because this pattern is very interesting. We are using front and back post double crochet stitches. That's why we can create such contour of our petals here. It looks so beautiful. And we are using elements like this for skirt, and this time it's ivory. Incredible result. But also we made for you one more with 3 cells, so you have really big part of lace ready for your skirt. I think this is really fantastic. Just for you, we made this all just for you, because we are sending all the time just samples, yes, maybe 1 cell like this. Sometimes we are making 3 cells, but for you we made even 2 elements with 5 cells and with 3 cells. Like this design we have. So I think this color combination will be really perfect for this dress, and light colors are really nice choice, such tender colors. I really love it, and everything looks so silky, shiny, and it's so soft and beautiful. It's just I love this dress already with all these colors and with this design. So you will use this pattern. I made it a little bit bigger, just a little bit, because it's elastic. This dress is elastic, and also I made it shorter, like I told you, because it will stretch. It works like this all the time, so it will stretch 5-6 centimeters. That's why we have shorter this pattern, so don't worry about this. And this fabric is really perfect for work, and I made zigzag seam around, so you can use this pattern several times. And I need to say that my students, for example, they just use patterns like this to create also summer tops, because we should create only yes, a line where we will have the bottom line of the summer top. Depends what lengths you want to get, and this pattern is perfect to create summer tops, also skirts. So like this, we can use it a lot of times for dresses, for blouses, for summer top skirts. It's the perfect base for our work. Just I want to tell you about this. And you have here exactly your size, so each project will be perfect for your figure, and I think this is really great. So we have here all necessary materials, elements, patterns, and also fabric pattern, your beautiful white threads also here. I will send this all to you. And also you can count on my support, on my help during your work. I will gladly help you, and I will be very curious about your result. For me, it will be something special to see this result. So thank you so much from our all team, from me, for your interesting order. And I wish you easy work, gorgeous results. And I hope you will wear this incredible dress for a special event, and everything will be just fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.